Welcome to Dragonless Trading with Oliver Kelman.
I was not going to do a video on crypto today, but there's some very important things happening that I want to go ahead and cover really quickly regarding where I think Bitcoin is going. Bro. Here, you see, I'm looking at my 15-minute right now, and it's just been truly, as you see here, it's just been truly sort of consolidating, going up and down, but within this zone here, 27,200 to right here, this purple line, which is my 100 exponential moving average, which is about 27,400, almost 27,500. But remember, guys, when I want to see what's going on long-term overall, I'm looking at not only the 5-hour, but I'm looking at the weekly, okay? So Bitcoin over the past day, a couple of days, it hit sort of a resistance there going up, but it's just come down. And now we see here sort of it's come down and now it's consolidating in the form of a bear flag, okay? Bear flag is bearish, which means that I think that it's possibly, we're going to see some more downside here. So right now it's underneath my white line and my red line, which is my white line is my 9-day exponential moving average, and my red line is it's a lot of resistance here. The red line is my 13-day exponential moving average. I see here this middle line here, which is my Bollinger Band, which is showing it's in consolidation, but also hitting a resistance. And this purple line is my 100-day exponential moving average. So a lot of resistance, guys. If it comes down a little bit below here, I think it can come down here, hit oversold my lower Bollinger Band, which is around $27,100. And then from there, we could probably see it come up a little bit here towards 27,800. But remember, we're hitting all of this. And then I've got this little thin red line, if you guys can see that, that's a Fibonacci level. So it's just a lot of resistance. So I'm expecting that looking at the 5-hour, see us come further down and go bearish. But let's look at the weekly to see exactly overall what's happening. So here on the weekly, we see that it's just been coming up and down since August of 2022 within this particular area. And right now where it is here, you see all my indicators that with the arrows going down, where it's telling me, hey, if I'm long, maybe I should go ahead and close out and go short. And as you see here, I've drawn this line going all the way back here towards the past year, which has been showing me a resistance level. And it's actually hit my resistance level to the dollar. And here it's gone up, it's tried to break up, but it couldn't do so. And now I see a little red bearish candle, which is sort of a trend reversal indication for me. I'm looking now for it to go down. Now, we could see probably if it hits down here, as I was talking about within my 5-hour chart, if we do hold this level, maybe we can come back up here. But if we don't break this area where it's been trying to do, which is around that $29,000 level, if we can't go ahead and break that, guys, then we're going to go down, bearish, okay? If we do break it, then I'm going to go in on a heavy short at this level, which is $33,000, almost $34,000. I'm going to go in for a heavy short because it's hitting now the top of my linear regression line, which is trending down. So if we happen to get up here, I don't think that we will, because we still have some move to get past this upper Bollinger Band at $31,778, which is a heavy resistance. So if we could clear this resistance level, we have this resistance level to clear, which I don't think that we'll do. And so we'll go back down here, and here where it's been going before. This is $16,715. That's a heavy resistance level. So we've been just going up and down into this consolidated area. Okay. So I think that we can come down here, this middle Bollinger Band. We hit that 21,304 level. And then if it can't hold that support level, then we go back down here, which basically, guys, look, the bottom of this heavy support, the bottom of the support level here is actually crossing intersection with the middle of my linear regression line, which is also holding the bottom oversold of my Bollinger Band. Okay, so then this area here is really a really strong pivotal area. And if it can't do that, if it can't hold that, then we've got all this downside to go to hit to this bottom of the linear regression line until I well, actually here it's telling me my arrows here to close. I don't think it will go all the way there, but to this level, which is around $9,237 Bitcoin. Okay, this area here where you see my arrows pointing here, this is an area where I'll close out whatever short I'm in and go long, heavy long on Bitcoin. And we could see sort of the same thing happening if I look at the weekly on Ethereum. Here, it's hit this top level. It's come past, it went actually past where it's been from back in August of 2022. We got a little bit more upside. It's holding on the weekly, my 9 and my 13 EMA. This is a strong support area, but if it can't hold there, this is Ethereum, and I like Ethereum because Ethereum holds the levels a lot better. But if it can't hold here, then we're just going to go right back down to this support level. And if we can't hold this support level where it's telling me, okay, go ahead and close out, go ahead and go long. If it can't hold there, then we're going to come down and hit my linear regression line at 1103, around that area, 1112, 1103. Okay. So this is what my speculation on. Maybe we get a little bit of bump up with Bitcoin, but right now we're at a strong area where if it cannot hold these levels, then we're going down, guys. We're going down. All right. If you like what you hear, you like my speculation, please hit like on YouTube if you want to hear more. And as always, everything here is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. If you like what you hear, hit like.